All right, here's the thing. You guys aren't gonna believe this. Fancy X muffler I built. Check it. Oh, this thing is heavy. I just, for the life of me, can't get this freaking clutch plate in here for nothing. I have to take pipe off that disconnects here. Freaking. Oh, for Pete's sake. Why does everything have to be so close to everything else? Can't simply do it. It comes apart like nothing. Everything has to be tight. Doesn't want to move. Why? Why? And there, just like that, the dual exhaust system pops right out of there. Piece of cake. All right, here's the thing. This thing will fit. Just having to take the tailpipe out. Tailpipe was in the way. Dual exhaust, right, fellas? Dual exhaust on a forklift. What is this gobbledygook? Whatever. And then, gotta put my gloves on so I don't injure my girl hands. Why is this thing so heavy? Still barely wants to go in there, but if you jiggly wiggly woo, and you get some buddies to grab it from the top, guys, grab it. Yeah, and then it goes right in. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna grab it and push it back. Ha! Oh, my thumb. It's on the pin. That was going to be a real pain in the arstridge. Don't cover everything in grease. Clutches don't like grease. I don't know why. I mean, I love grease. What in the world? Lots of clearance now. Oh, don't drop your wrench into the bucket of oil down there. My head in the way? Good. Trying to give you as crappy a lighting situation as humanly possible so that it matches the rest of the videos. And you get to see nothing while somebody wrenches on something and they don't even talk like me. I don't know what to say. She's cinching up, boys. She's cinching up real nice. And that ain't a word of a lie. Not a word of a lie! Some stuff is just so dumb. Like the world. Oh, she's turning over, boys. She's turning over. That means we're getting tight. This here's one of the best ratchet wrenches I've ever had in my life. Why? I don't know. Because it ratchets nice. It doesn't... Oh, you're trying to turn the opposite direction of the way you said it? Yeah, it does it automatically. Why? Because it's stupid. And it reverses all by itself. You ever had a ratchet like that? Because those things suck. Take them back. Force them for a refund. Give you some warranty. Something. Respect the tool. You know, unless you need a hammer or something, all you have is a ratchet. Use that ratchet as a hammer. I'll hold it over here with my knee, I think. And I'll ratchet it with one hand. Because I'm plenty strong enough for that. Oh, what a pain in the arstridge. Oh, you dirty, stinky rat. Hey, you're probably asking yourself, hey, Adrian, what's the torque specifications on here? You know what Adrian would say? You think I care? You really think I care? I'm gonna tighten it. That's all I'm doing. Tightening it. And then after it's tight, we're done. Get in there with two hands and reef on that mother. You guys ever seen a two-headed ratchet? Yeah. It's almost like a two-headed snake. Weird. Very weird. But this sucker is going to give us some leverage. Oh yeah, hear that? She bottomed out. Get some torque on there. That's good leverage right there, boys. Ain't a word of a lie. Not a word of a lie. Just make sure you don't snap these bolts off because that would really suck. But what you want? Some wicked good snugness. And if you want to know the torque specifications, you don't like it, ask your mom. And that ain't a word of a lie. Woo! Okay, we got to get the clutch in there now. And the other, what do you call it? Pressure plate, thingamajig, doohickey. The other half of the clutch. It's going to be a whole bag of awesome. You can't fix stupid.